do you want to say? What's our intro? Hey, good morning. I recommend something like this.
Fusion Arena.
Now we should do it like Dragon Ball. Fusion.
Fusion Arena. Welcome to our first unboxing. Actually, the first real video on the Fusion Arena channel. We'll do the unboxing of the HTC Vive Pro. HTC in general was a little bit lower in quality of the image because of the lens that they have, and we are really excited to have this here. We have already two HTC Vives here. One is with Icarus and one is with the Planck Experience, and we are going to mount this one at the Planck Experience because
exactly.
This is really the most used station that we have. So I would say let's do the unboxing.
Yeah, let's go for it. Do you want to do it or?
Yes.
No. Okay, I'll just watch you, or I will explain what he's doing.
So, first of all, this is only the headset, so you need to buy the controller separately. It's a hell lot of money. This cost us 950 Swiss francs. That is about the same amount in dollars.
Wow.
Plus controllers, I think 150 per controller. It's a really expensive gadget.
We're basically out of money now. We're broke. I'll take the small one, so I at least have something. Hey, this is opened already. I mean, it's cut.
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody opened our box before we could open it. So what we have here in the box is a setup instruction. The Deluxe audio strap was already included. It's a completely new system that HTC has developed, but works actually, if I look at the description, exactly the same as the old Deluxe audio strap.
But it looks so different than the older one, I think, especially the strap and everything, like how you mount it.
So, small box first, but you need to put it here, else you don't have an overhead shot.
What is this exactly? It looks like an adapter or something.
This is the regular connection box for the PC, but it has a new connector here. There's a blue button. I have no clue what that blue button means, and the connector is now one. It was three previously. One was for power, one was USB, and one was the HDMI. It's now all integrated into one single simple connector. Good. What's next?
All right. Cables, USB, and what is it?
So a display port to mini display port cable and a regular USB cable.
Something to clean the lens.
Little stuff. Exactly.
What else? Oh, and another adapter.
Power adapter for the box.
That's it. And now the big one.
If I compare this to the Striker unboxing, you know guys that we have the Striker guns, we received them now, the Striker VR guns, but the plugin is not working yet. It's not our fault, it's Striker's fault. I blame them for that here on this channel. No problem with that, because we now have a delay of at least a month, and we will have another month's delay. The Striker really has the Apple-ish way of putting the stuff together. We should do a Striker unboxing too. We have 3 left to unbox. One we could do in this channel. If you'd like to have a Striker unboxing, please comment below. Good. Now comes the big one.
Alright. Oh, it has a different color. It's in blue now.
Oh,
no.
Purple?
Purple? Yeah, blue, purple, whatever.
I think it's purplish.
Comment down below if you think it's purple. Yeah.
There's some other stuff in the box.
Stickers. I'll take the stickers, thanks.
And put it on your skateboard.
Yay.
That's about it. So let's unwrap this.
What? Why?
HTC, please, if you sell a $1,000 product, please. Come on.
It's very cheap.
But if you have the product unwrapped, it looks really nice. Complete new design. You see that circular angle here. They've redesigned it for maximum comfort. looks a bit space techish.
Feels heavier, huh?
Let's take the cable away. The cable
Oh, yeah.
is fixed here. That has a good weight. Let's quickly get an old Vive for comparison. Took ages. Now I got it. So, this is an old Vive for comparison. You see a very flimsy design of these connectors. Actually, in here we have this daily in use. We need to tighten this screw every week, else these fall off. So, in terms of design, much sleeker, much easier, and I hope that we have better screws here so that the stuff doesn't fall. Ah, it's the same screws.
I hope it's
the same screws underneath.
Okay.
In the back, you have much more padding on the new one. Looks a lot more comfortable.
It looks like the PSVR, I think. It looks pretty much the same, right? I mean, just like the back.
Yes.
The back of it.
Yes, they definitely took some inspiration. What do we have? The knob, yes, to tighten and loosen. We have directly on the headset, we have volume buttons, plus and minus. And interesting, a mute button also, so that you can mute your microphone. Very, very interesting.
No.
Good. I would say that's it for the unboxing experience. Now we are going to mount this baby at our plank over there and see how much better the picture is. Let's do this.
We should film that as well. Do it.
Oh, don't film me. We are in the last steps. We are in the last steps to mount the HTC Vive to our PC, and we'll be back shortly. Bye. So, half an hour later, or 1 hour.
It actually took us a while to get this thing done.
It didn't go without issues. Do you remember the blue button from before? That's actually a power button on the little connector box. And we have everything in the ceiling, so we needed to push that button when we cut the power to the headset. We need to see how we solve that, because we can't get up the ceiling every time we need to activate the Vive after it deactivated again.
That'd be really annoying.
It works now, so let's get a first impression. Do you want to try?
Yeah. Of course. Your phone, like always.
Sorry.
It is,
how is it compared to the other Vive?
It is so much sharper than before. That's crazy, especially when you look up.
Sharper.
Yeah. The pictures is a lot better, I feel like. It's still super scary. I think it's...
You're falling down.
I still think this is so crazy, especially the moment when you land on the ground. I'm not doing this for the first time.
Such a simple game, the plank experience, but it still gets you every time. Even if you work every day with it.
It's crazy.
Let me try. So a new feature of the Vive is this button here. Similar to the Sony PlayStation VR, you can now extend. If you have glasses, that's a fantastic thing. It feels a bit weird putting it on the head, I must say. The other one kind of encloses you here, and this one, it feels a bit detached, but it's still heavy. It's still, compared to an Oculus Rift, it's still a very heavy display. Earplugs, very comfortable.
Okay, you gotta start off. Ronnie has done it at least 20 times.
Very. You see an incredible difference to sharpness. I would say compared to the old one, 50% improvement. So, let's sum this up.
I'd say so.
Overall, still a very heavy display, but the resolution improved incredibly. Don't know yet what we do with this, but we will find out over the coming
Definitely.
weeks. Comfort?
I like it actually. It's not just an improved display, in my opinion.
Okay.
I really like that overall. You have to get used to it.
It's a huge difference to wear it, to mount it, etc. We will see. But overall, I think it will stay here. You can try it here at Fusion Arena because, yeah, it's a much improved display, and people that complain about sharpness, especially the 4K gamers, they will love this because it's a huge improvement.
Yep, you have to give it a try.
Yes. Come visit us. We'd love to welcome you, and this was it. The first video unboxing on the Fusion Arena channel.
Exactly. Link in the description. Bye bye.
Take a slide, find your zone every day.